Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add or change an MP3 cover image and edit other MP3 information on a Windows PC in 2026. As you can see, I have several MP3 songs, and I want to change the cover image for each of them. First, open your web browser and download the MP3 tag software from its official website. I have already downloaded the software, so let's install it. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to open the software. Now, select the MP3 song you want to edit. You can update the song information, such as the title, artist, album, genre, year, and more. If you want to change the cover image for all of your selected MP3 songs at once, simply select all the songs. Click Remove All Covers to delete the existing cover images. Next, click Add Cover and choose your new cover image. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. As you can see, the new cover image has been successfully saved to your MP3 files. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.